What makes you different from everyone else? Or, hey, why should I work with you? If you've ever heard that objection, you're listening to the right episode of the Loan Officer Freedom podcast. I'm your host, Steve Kiles. You are listening to the number one podcast in America for loan officers. And you're right, I'm not Carl White. I get to sit in the seat today. So I thought, you know what? We're going to talk about something I heard today talking to a great loan officer. Just got out of an agent presentation with a bunch of agents. She said, man, I don't think it went as well as it could have. I said, talk to me about it. Let's dissect what went well. Why do you feel like it wasn't as effective? And this was one of the pieces of conversation that came out. And I thought, let's record a quick episode that gives you the rebuttal to the objection. Hey, what makes you different? Why should I work with you? Because if you'll put this one script designed conversation in your tool belt, you will convert more of the conversations and agents that you're already talking to. We just need a better way to get them to say, well, what do you mean you make your agent partners even more money? Hey, I'd love to hear more about that. Great, let's schedule a time, or let me show you our real-time referral program. So just a quick episode to give you that design conversation. When somebody says, hey, Steve, what makes you different? Well, I'm glad you asked. What I'm known for is the ability to make my realtor partners even more money through our real-time referral program. Great. What is it? What are you talking about? Hey, I'd love to invest 30 minutes. Let's grab a coffee, show you more about the real-time referral program. Or if you're face-to-face, I'll go into our process to prospecting, our process to selling. The way that our real-time referral program is very strategic to extract relationally referred, qualified, potential clients to put back in your car to go sell even more homes. And when you're using language like that, you're able to literally set the stage for an agent who says, I don't know about you, but that guy's different. That girl's different. I've never heard that response, because everybody else is talking about lower rates, more products, underwriting, all the blah, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. It's just noise. But when you really say, hey, what I'm known for is the ability to make my partners, my realtor partners, even more money. And you can even throw in through our real-time referral program. Man, I'm excited. I'd love to show you more about what we're doing and how the results are actually impacting the lives of our agents. So make it your own. Very simply, what I'm known for is, that's the first part. Second part is making my realtor partners even more money. And when they say how or why through our real-time referral program, use that, implement it, drop it in the comments, tag me, Steve Kiles, on social media. I'd love to hear how that script, that design conversation helped you win another deal. If you're saying, Steve, this is great, I'd love to learn more of the objections and rebuttals, book a time at freedomplanningcall.com, freedomplanningcall.com. And man, I wrote a book on scripts, and we'll certainly open it up, and you can screenshot the scripts, and the team will help you build a plan to get more conversion by designing conversations that produce results. And can't wait to see you on the next episode of Loan Officer Freedom. See ya.